NEC Section 312.6b covers raceways emerging from concrete slabs. Raceways embedded in concrete slabs shall be permitted to extend beyond the face of the concrete. The extended portion shall not be less than 6 inches long and shall be securely supported and protected against physical damage. NEC Section 314.29b addresses the exposed extensions. The following shall be permitted: firstly, extensions from boxes, panels, and fittings that do not extend more than 6 inches from the enclosure. Now for the applicability to conduits. Although the code sections mentioned above specifically refer to raceways, they can be interpreted to apply to conduits as well, since conduits are a type of raceway. Therefore, it is generally permissible for conduits to extend beyond the panel face by several inches, provided that they are firstly securely supported, secondly protected against physical damage, and thirdly not more than 6 inches long. Regarding additional considerations, in the specific case where the conduits emerging from the floor are several inches in front of the panel, ensure that the following additional requirements are met. Firstly, the conduits are supported by a suitable method, such as straps or hangers. Secondly, the conduits are protected from physical damage by using conduit bodies or other appropriate means. And thirdly, the conduits do not create a tripping hazard or interfere with the operation of the paddle board. If any of these requirements are not met, it may be necessary to take additional steps to correct the installation.